Haha, we're going. I'm with Colin. Carl, we're going to be doing your garden, aren't we?
Certainly are. Certainly are.
And
Can't wait.
we've got the fence down, and we eventually got it, but the rain's been a nightmare, isn't it?
Oh, just see the puddles in there, mate. I tell you.
We'll sort that, but some people love these videos where we're talking to. Why did you choose us, Carl? Like, we haven't started even the job yet. Why did you choose us?
Just internet, off the internet, mate.
Yeah, when we come here, you know.
You're great. You're great when you come here. 2.5 hours of time, mate. This bloke's spent here 3 times a week.
Yeah, so
he's brilliant. He knows his stuff.
Yeah, and we're gonna deliver this. Always, but if you have any problems, right, through this job, at any time, just talk about it. Just don't feel uncomfortable, because that's the biggest problem with consumers out there, with contractors. Things sometimes fall apart because they don't communicate, do they?
Yeah, I definitely communicate with you throughout the process.
Hey, we're gonna have a coffee now. Yeah, we're gonna have a coffee. See what we. Well, there's the membrane. Now we're going.